Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Zara delivery address. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Zara Philippines website as the example, but the flow is similar in most regions. Have your account credentials ready and make sure you're signed in, since address management lives in your account area. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Zara website for your region. On the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the account option or the profile icon. Click it to open your account dashboard. If you're not already logged in, the site will prompt you to sign in before you can continue. Inside your account, locate and select My Details. This section organizes your personal information in one place so you can quickly manage what Zara uses at checkout. Next, find the Addresses area. This is where your saved delivery locations are stored and where you can add new ones. To change where your orders are delivered, the simplest and most reliable method is to add another address rather than editing an old one. This helps avoid issues with past orders and ensures your new address is cleanly stored. Look for the Add Address button and click it to open the form. Now enter your address details carefully. Type your full name as it should appear for delivery, then fill in your street address. Include building, subdivision, or unit and floor information if applicable so couriers can locate you easily. Add your city or municipality, province or state, and the correct postal code. Provide a valid contact number that delivery services can use if they need directions. Take a moment to double-check spelling, numbers, and abbreviations. Accurate details reduce delivery delays and failed attempts. When everything looks correct, click Save. The new address will be stored in your account and will appear in your list of saved addresses. From now on, you can select it during checkout when placing an order. If you see multiple addresses saved, review them to make sure you recognize each one and keep only the locations you actually use. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. If you're updating your address because you've moved, remember that changes here apply to future orders. If an order is already being prepared or shipped, most retailers, including Zara, can't reroute it after the fact. In that case, check your order status and support options to see what's possible. Also, interfaces can vary slightly by country or device, but the path remains the same. Account, My Details, Addresses, Add Address. Fill the form, then save. And that's it. Your new delivery address is ready to use at checkout.